P0443, P0444, and P0445 are all error codes signaling that your computer has lost control of the purge valve solenoid. Think of P0443 as the general warning. It's a circuit malfunction that tells you the computer sees the wrong voltage but hasn't pinpointed why. In contrast, P0444 and P0445 are more specific. P0444 is an open circuit, meaning the electrical path is broken, like a light switch that's been disconnected or a snapped wire. P0445 is the opposite, it's a short circuit, meaning electricity is taking a dangerous shortcut, often due to melted wires or a fried internal solenoid. Here are two simple DIY methods you can try to solve these problems. Method A, the gas cap. Open up your gas tank and inspect the cap condition. Spray clean the gas tank with a WD-40 cleaner first. Check to see if the gas cap also gets dirty. You can use the WD-40 cleaner to wipe it clean as well. Otherwise, you may replace it with the correct model gas cap. Method B, the canister purge valve. The canister purge valve is usually located behind the intake, right next to the throttle body. For demonstration purposes, we have removed the canister purge valve prior to filming. But you should locate this component in your car while the engine is still running, and place your finger at the vacuum port to check its functionality. If your finger experiences vacuum suction, it means the canister purge valve is stuck and needs to be replaced. Simply take the used canister purge valve off and replace it with the correct new one. After the repair, you can now use the Zeus app to clear the error code. And tap the rescan button one more time to make sure everything is fine with your vehicle. To save more money on car expenses, claim a free engine code scanner at the description link below, or check out the video here for more info. You're also welcome to leave comments below, our mechanic professionals will answer them shortly. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks again for watching this video.